Alexa Ilacad's first ever investment piece is a diamond ring. Abala ngayon si Alexa Ilacad sa taping ng bagong teleserye niya para sa ABS-CBN. Taping po for my new teleserye, Pira-Pirasong Paraiso, which is malapit na pong ipalabas, so that's what's keeping me busy. Monday, Wednesday, Friday po yung taping namin, and at the same time, ngayon po focused kami on promos. So kung saan-saan kami napadpad to promote our show. Umpisang kwento ni Alexa sa grand opening ng Manila Diamond Studios sa 5th floor ng EDSA Shangri-La Plaza Mall sa Mandaluyong City noong July 8, 2023. Kwento pa ni Alexa na iiba ang kanyang papel sa upcoming TV project. Well, it's a much more matured version of Alexa that you've ever seen. Not matured necessarily meaning sexy or anything like that, but more on a depth of a character. So I play Angela. I'm a journalist, so I fight for the truth. Very hard-working boss lady, I would say. At hindi lamang sa kanyang TV role, magiging journalist si Alexa, kundi maging sa tunay na buhay. Nangyari ito sa TV Patrol 2 weeks ago. Lahad niya, honestly, actually I'm going to try to be a star patroller to promote Pira-Pirasong Paraiso. At the time of this interview, hindi pa niya na-experience kung paano maging broadcaster, kaya may konting kaba raw siyang nararamdaman. I'm nervous and also excited. It's something na people would always tell me na bakit hindi mo i-try, parang bagay kang newscaster, etc. So sabi ko, okay, let's try. Try lang. I'm not sure if I'm going to fall in love with it, but yeah, I'm excited to try. Samantala, bagay maging endorser si Alexa ng isang jewelry brand dahil mahilig daw talaga siya sa alas kumpara sa designer at mamahaling bags. Aniya, actually bags not so, more on jewelry. Lately lang po ako nagkaroon ng hilig or knowledge about bags. Ang kapwa niya actress at endorser na si Jessie Mendiola ang rason ng pagkahilig ni Alexa sa alahas. Saad pa niya, actually si Ate Jessie rin talaga yung reason kung bakit, cause I've loved her for the longest time. And I would see her post all the time about jewelry and specifically Manila Diamond Studios, so doon ako nagkaroon ng hilig. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more showbiz updates. Bye!